There is nothing worse than being woken up by the light blinding you in the morning. And if I have to get out of bed to close the shades, I am up for the day. So we're going to go ahead together and fix this problem once and for all. I've automated just about everything in my house, except for this. This is how I control my shades every morning and every night. Too much light coming in, I gotta close it down. Not enough light, I gotta do this. So we're gonna solve that problem today really simply with the Ryse Smart Shade. This comes with the Smart Shade controller, the wireless battery pack, 2 mounting brackets, the charging cable, and all the small parts you'll need for the install. I've watched the videos, this looks incredibly simple, so we're gonna do it together. Step 1 is scanning the QR code and downloading the Ryse app. It already came pre-charged, so we're gonna go ahead and connect that. It's powering up, good to go. This is the wire-free version that has the battery pack. There's also a wired version that plugs into the wall, but for me, this one looks really clean, so we're gonna go ahead and use the wire-free. This will work for any shade like this that uses a cord. My window shade has this bead connector. Take the one that came with my window off and replace it with the one that came with the Ryse. Now we need a mark on the wall 8 inches from the bottom. We need to make some room, so we're gonna go ahead and cut this right here. Now we're just gonna reattach it. Now we're gonna push in here, and then pull. Now when you're doing this, make sure you pull this part down, get the chain underneath. Put the cover back in place. I'm mounting mine on the outside of the window so it doesn't interfere with the shade. And now with this in place, this just snaps right in. The one-time calibration is really simple. Just press sync, then hold down up until you're at the top, and then do the same for the bottom. So now with one tap of the app, I can control my shades from bed. And if tapping one button still sounds like too much work, they also sell a Ryse Smart Bridge that allows you to connect to Alexa or set a routine. If you're like me and you never want to wrestle with that chain again, you'd rather control everything through the app. This is the Ryse wire-free Smart Shade.